how you can make your Facebook cover photo from your Android mobile phone. Just you have to download cover photo. Okay, see that? You have to download this one from the market, and first of all you have to do you can create your own. You can continue if you just used it previously, or you can just go to just okay, go to the store. Okay, let's create something. Go to the library, and here we go. I'm going to just go with this photo. Okay, this is the border. You cannot cross the border for when you are making your cover photo. And here we go. You have your own cover photo. You can add stickers such as I love mom, this cute baby over here. Okay, or you can have filter effects for here. This one, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and you can have another layer. You can add all these things. Just don't destroy this. Okay, so you can add also text if you want. It has so many um, different fonts. Very clever app. I like it. Okay, so yes, I want to remove the text and export to gallery. First use this, and this was really cool. You can just make your Facebook cover photo just within a minute. So this was really great app. So I hope that you're gonna try this app and make your own cover photo. And thank you very much for watching this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question or any request, just write down in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer you. And until then, take care. Goodbye. See you next time in another video. Thank you.